months. Jorge! Wow, there they are. It looks amazing.
What do you want? Here.
100 nuggies right here. Oh, wow. Okay, I don't think it's like a race. I think it's just like, you just pace yourself and just eat. This is pretty yummy. I like it. I would like to apologize for Dean. That I'm gonna beat him and he's gonna have to cry.
You
and
can
here,
do it, Emily.
and people
Only
are gonna.
70 more to go examine.
Wait, what did Kathy say? Kathy is crazy for this. She's so talented. Hey, she wished me good luck. Thank you.
Kathy was at 99 nuggets at this point.
That's crazy. Jorge, I finished 30.
Almost there.
Almost there. My friend, his name is Dean. He got 41. Do you think I can beat him? You think so?
Take your time.
I agree.
Take deep breaths.
Thank you, Jorge.
Pause.
I will try my best. See, Jorge believes in me. So I can beat 41. Hello?
Emily, what is happening?
I can't eat anymore. I'm losing to Dean.
Are you listening?
I am.
Are you listening, Emily?
Yes.
If you can believe it, you can achieve it. All you have to do is beat Dean. You cannot be last place. Listen, I get it. This challenge, you thought you can easily do 40, 50, whatever. But you can do it, okay? All right, Emily, make me proud. I will tap in like 15 minutes. I want to see you as a champion, okay?
As in like a beating Dean champion?
Just beating Dean.
Thank you,
All right, Emily,
Arthur.
good luck.
Thank you for the good luck and
You
the
got
pep
this.
talk. Bye.
Yep, don't be a bitch. Bye.
Yep. You're right. Don't be a bitch. Ugh, do I look pregnant? Oh my god, it definitely is protruding. Nope. I can't. Oh my god. Ew. Excuse me, sorry. I'm having like a sickness reaction to me eating it. Good efforts. Thank you guys.